Overcoming obstacles. Strategies for farmers affected by land degradation. Title: Overcoming obstacles. Strategies for farmers affected by land degradation. Introduction. Land degradation is a critical issue that profoundly impacts farmers worldwide, leading to reduced agricultural productivity and economic hardships. As the global population continues to grow and the demand for food surges, it becomes imperative to address this challenge. In this article, we will explore strategies that farmers can employ to overcome obstacles caused by land degradation and build resilient agricultural systems. Understanding land degradation. Land degradation refers to the gradual deterioration of the quality and productivity of the soil and its ability to support sustainable agriculture. Several factors contribute to this problem, including deforestation, intensive farming practices, erosion, pollution, and climate change. Consequently, farmers are faced with myriad obstacles, such as reduced soil fertility, soil erosion, water scarcity, and increased pest and disease pressures. Strategies for farmers. 1. Conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture involves adopting practices that promote the preservation and improvement of the soil's health and structure. These practices include minimal soil disturbance through reduced tillage, maintaining organic matter through cover cropping, and diversifying crop rotations. By implementing conservation agriculture, farmers can enhance soil fertility, reduce erosion, and conserve water resources. 2. Agroforestry. Agroforestry combines woody perennials such as trees or shrubs with crops or livestock on the same piece of land. This practice offers several benefits for farmers affected by land degradation. Trees and shrubs help improve soil fertility and structure, provide shade, and protect crops or livestock from extreme weather. Agroforestry also supports biodiversity and reduces the risks of pest outbreaks, making it an effective strategy for farmers to restore degraded land. 3. Integrated pest management. Land degradation often leads to increased pest pressures as the ecosystem balance is disrupted. Integrated pest management (IPM) focuses on preventing and controlling pests through a combination of cultural, biological, and chemical methods while minimizing environmental impact. By implementing IPM, farmers can reduce pesticide reliance, encourage natural predators, and use resistant crop varieties, thereby minimizing losses while maintaining a healthy ecosystem. 4. Soil conservation techniques. Soil erosion is a significant consequence of land degradation, resulting in the loss of fertile topsoil. Farmers can employ various soil conservation techniques to mitigate erosion and restore soil health. These techniques include contour plowing, terracing, building bunds or berms, and establishing grassed waterways. Additionally, the use of mulching and cover cropping can prevent soil erosion and encourage the buildup of organic matter. 5. Water management. Water scarcity is a crucial challenge faced by farmers affected by land degradation, particularly in arid or semi-arid regions. Efficient water management techniques, such as drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and constructing ponds or reservoirs, can help farmers optimize water use and maintain agricultural productivity. Proper irrigation scheduling, based on soil moisture monitoring, is crucial for avoiding water wastage and ensuring crops receive adequate water. 6. Crop diversification and rotation. Monocropping, a common practice in intensive agriculture, can exacerbate land degradation due to increased pest and disease susceptibility. Implementing crop diversification and rotation can help break pest cycles, improve soil nutrient balance, and enhance overall ecosystem health. Rotating different crops mitigates the risk of diseases and pests, promotes symbiotic relationships with beneficial organisms, and can lead to improved soil fertility. 7. Rehabilitation and restoration. In severe cases of land degradation, farmers may need to undertake rehabilitation and restoration projects. This involves reclaiming degraded land through activities such as reforestation, reseeding native vegetation, and soil restoration techniques, like amending with organic matter or biochar. These efforts may require external support and funding, but can contribute to long-term sustainability and the revival of farming systems. Overcoming obstacles. Strategies for farmers affected by land degradation, continued. 8. Soil testing and nutrient management. To effectively address soil degradation, farmers should first understand the nutrient deficiencies and imbalances present in their soil. Conducting regular soil tests can provide valuable insights into the soil's condition and guide nutrient management decisions. By applying appropriate fertilizers and organic amendments, farmers can replenish essential nutrients and improve soil health, ensuring optimal crop growth and productivity. 9. Agroecology. Agroecology is a holistic approach to farming that emphasizes the integration of ecological principles into agricultural practices. It focuses on promoting biodiversity, enhancing ecosystem services, and minimizing external inputs such as pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. 10. Knowledge and capacity building. Enhancing farmers' knowledge and capacity in sustainable land management practices is crucial for overcoming land degradation challenges. Governments, agricultural extension services, NGOs, and research institutions can play a vital role in providing farmers with training, technical support, and access to relevant information. This includes educating farmers on best practices, new technologies, and innovations that can help them adapt to and mitigate the impacts of land degradation. 11. Policy and institutional support. Supportive policies and institutions are essential for enabling farmers to overcome land degradation challenges. 12. Sustainable land use planning. Effective land use planning is crucial for minimizing land degradation risks and promoting sustainable land management. This involves assessing the suitability of different areas for specific land uses and implementing zoning regulations to prevent inappropriate land use practices. 13. Access to markets and value chain development. Farmers affected by land degradation often face challenges in accessing markets and obtaining fair prices for their products. Strengthening market linkages and value chain development can help overcome these obstacles. Farmers can organize themselves into cooperatives or associations to improve their bargaining power, achieve economies of scale, and establish direct connections with consumers. Additionally, investment in infrastructure, such as transportation and storage facilities, can enhance market access and enable farmers to sell their produce at competitive prices. 14. Climate-smart agriculture. Climate change exacerbates land degradation, posing additional challenges for farmers. Climate-smart agriculture practices integrate climate adaptation and mitigation strategies into farming systems. By embracing climate-smart agriculture, farmers can increase their resilience to climate-related risks while helping mitigate greenhouse gas emissions. Farmers should be encouraged to share their experiences, challenges, and innovative practices with each other. This can be facilitated through farmer field schools, study tours, and farmer-led research networks. The exchange of knowledge and experiences can lead to the co-creation of context-specific and farmer-driven solutions to address land degradation effectively. Collectively, these strategies can contribute to a transformative shift towards sustainable land management practices worldwide. 16. Farmer-to-farmer collaboration. Encouraging collaboration and knowledge sharing among farmers is crucial in overcoming land degradation challenges. Creating platforms for farmers to connect and exchange ideas can enable them to learn from one another's experiences and implement successful strategies in their own farms. Farmer-to-farmer collaboration can foster a sense of community and empower farmers to take ownership of their land management practices, resulting in more effective and sustainable solutions. 17. Financial support and incentives. Access to finance is essential for farmers to implement land degradation mitigation strategies. Governments and financial institutions should provide affordable credit and grants specifically targeted towards sustainable land management practices. 18. Land tenure and rights. Land tenure security is vital for farmers to make long-term investments in land restoration and sustainable agriculture. Governments should ensure clear land ownership rights and provide support for securing land tenure. Transparent and inclusive land governance systems can prevent land grabbing and promote equitable access to land resources for small-scale farmers, who are often the most affected by land degradation. 19. Early warning systems. Timely information and early warning systems can help farmers anticipate and respond to land degradation risks. This information can assist farmers in taking proactive measures to mitigate the impacts of land degradation and prevent further deterioration. 20. Gender mainstreaming. Recognizing and addressing gender inequalities is essential in effectively addressing land degradation challenges. Women in agriculture often face specific obstacles, such as limited access to resources and decision-making power. 21. Monitoring and evaluation. Regular monitoring and evaluation of land degradation mitigation efforts are necessary to assess their effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Governments, research institutions, and